Hello, my name is Dante Matthews, and I will be designing a logo in CS5 Photoshop. You want to go to File, New. Let's just type in for the name. We'll just give it My Logo. Alright, you want the width to be 3, the height to be 2, you want it to be in inches, and you want the resolution to be 300 pixels per inch, 8-bit, RGB for the color mode, and you want the background to be transparent. The preset should be photo, and click OK. Alright, now first thing we want to do is design like the color of the image. So we go to gradient tool, and we want to choose our color. So let's choose white, and let's choose on the other end, on the far left end, we're going to choose red, like a very bright red. Click OK. Now let's choose the linear gradient, and we're going to make sure the mode is set to normal, opacity is set to 100. Okay, we are going to click and drag. Now click new layer, and we're going to do the same thing but from the bottom to the top. We want to make sure our layer is selected, and we want to click and drag. Now one gradient will be on the first layer and the other gradient will be on the second layer. Next, we want to make another new layer, and we want to this time set the mode to difference. We want to click and drag from top to bottom, and then we're going to click and drag from bottom to top, and then we're going to click and drag from top to bottom down into the middle, like right about here. Now go to your layers, and as you can see, each layer will look different, but they'll have the same color scheme. We want to click on the third layer and set it to difference. Click on the second layer and set it to screen, and click on the first layer, and we want to make a new layer in between the first layer and the second layer, and we will just paint this layer black. So go to your paint bucket tool, make sure you have your foreground color set to black, and make sure your layer 4 is selected. Click. Now while your layer 4 is selected, go to your blend mode and go down to color burn. No, wait, not color burn. Hold on. Go down to color. Now we want to reduce the fill down to about 56%, reduce the opacity down to 80%, double click layer 4, well, right click layer 4, go to duplicate layer, click OK, and we want to drag this to the very top. and we want to go to blend mode, go to hue, and make the fill 100%. Lower the opacity to about 90%. Like okay, so the opacity you want for the copy of layer 4 to be 90%, and you want the fill to be 100%. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make our shape for our logo. You can use any shape you want, but I'm using the heart. And let's see. Alright, so just drag that out. I'm using the shape tool, and I think I'll make that heart just a little bit more taller. I'll press enter, and there's my heart. Now I go to, let's see, I would say I'd go to saturation for the blend mode, and next go to the pen tool, right click, choose make selection, 4 pixels, and copy merge, paste. Alright, now with layer 5 you want to click on heart light. Make sure heart light is selected for blend mode. Alright, duplicate layer 5, scroll down to difference, duplicate layer 5 again, well, duplicate the copy of layer 5 I mean. Now scroll down to color, and we want to select layer 1 again. We want to do the same thing, so make sure you have the pen tool selected, go to make selection, it should say 4 pixels, click OK, and we want to go up to layer 5 copy number 2 and copy merge and paste. Now just deselect everything else except for layer 6, and we're going to change this into a PNG image. So we're going to go to save as, scroll down to PNG, click save, click non-interlace, minimize Photoshop, and voila, we have our own logo. My name is Dante Matthews. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.